I'm Justin Mott, and welcome to my home in Hanoi, Vietnam. And if you're new here, my channel is dedicated to all things photography from the perspective of a full-time working professional photographer. And today I'm going to do an unboxing / initial impressions of what's inside here, which is a brand new, yet to be released camera bag by my friends over at Wotancraft. So let's open this up, let's dive in, and let me give you my impressions. Alright, I'm not a big unboxing guy. There's people that do it better than me. I'm going to pretend like I'm cutting this open right now, but I pre-cut it because I don't like to be on camera, like fiddling around with stuff, so the fine people at Wotancraft, full disclosure here, I work with Wotancraft. I am an ambassador. I have an affiliate link, but I was using their bags long before I ever had any sort of affiliation with them. I've visited their store in Taiwan. I've met the people personally behind these incredible bags. I love their products. I dig them. I use them. And recently they said, hey, we got a brand new bag coming out. It's right up your alley. I review some of the lifestyle bags, but mainly I do their photography bags. And so they sent me this bag over. This is the Scout camera bag. Now I've got this little cheat sheet here, but I didn't want to look into too much details here because I wanted to just give you like my impressions. And later on I'll do a full-on review. So normally these Wotancraft bags, they come in with these great little like covers here, which I like them. I made a mess here. But they come with these great little covers here. I use them actually as shoe bags when I travel, or laundry bags. But they're great if you want to store your bags somewhere and like keep them nice and clean and dust free. So here we go. I'm opening it up now. I'm just gonna give you, this will be quick. Wow, this is beautiful. Ooh, I don't even know what is this? There's something else in here. It's another bag. Oh, this is something else I asked for that they sent me. Totally forgot about this. This is my new little satchel. I dig this thing. I really like this thing. I've become a satchel guy in my older age. When I travel on the airplane, I like having a satchel to keep my passport in here, keep my money in here, little things like that. So it's got all these cool little pockets. Anyway, this is something completely separately, a little surprise. I forgot I asked them for this, but the waterproof zippers in black, I really dig it. Oh, I like this. I'm excited to dig into this later, but let me put that aside for now, and let's get into this beauty here. So it has that beautiful, looks like it has their beautiful Cordura, yeah it does, that Cordura fabric, which is like that sort of like, I don't know, I like it. It's very tactile, very strong, but not super heavy at the same time. See, Wotancraft's been floating around between these two types of different bags, right? They've got their Pilot Series bags, which are durable, but they're very, very lightweight. And it has some little details on it, like they haven't kept the metal on it, like this bag has, and a little bit of plastic, because they're trying to save weight. And their older bags tend to be like really beautiful material, a lot of nice leather and wax canvas and metal accents, but they tend to be a little bit heavier, so they're kind of on the extreme sides of the spectrum here. This bag seems like kind of the beautiful combination of both. The fabric here does feel really durable, but it doesn't feel heavy as a bag. So this is the Scout bag. First impressions from the exterior. Yes, it's got that great little through thing there, so you can slip this on top of your luggage. I'm gonna get rid of the dust cover here. It's got this beautiful back pocket here, which looks like it has a waterproof, yeah, I like that, waterproof zipper. Nice leather accents there. Nice stitching. They do a really good job with their stitching. Metal YKK zippers, which I really like. Handle, big thing, big handle guy. I hate when bags skimp out on this. But the system here up front with the main compartment here, you've got these little leather / metal, like it's just nice. Everything, all the details, they're really good at details. I love that about them. So you just gotta pop these open. They pop open really easily. Looks like it there. Got this nice little detachable strap here. Again, it attaches with this nice metal buckle. A little bit of weight, but you know, cool material. I dig it. You know, this is like a very vintage World War II style bag, which I like. It fits in with my World War II style Royal Enfield that you might have seen in my opener, my video opener. So it really does fit that style quite nicely. So this bag, let's open it up here. The main compartment here, maybe I'll start with the outer pockets here. So the outer pockets here are button pockets that pop open, little flaps here. Pretty standard button pockets here. Nice, like they expand a little bit, expandable pockets there. You know, you keep memory cards, extra accessories, things like that. I'm going to talk about this in terms of Leica because I use their stuff with my Leica kit. I don't use it for my commercial photography kit. I use my Think Tank for that because it's just like a bunch of different lenses and lights and stuff like that, whereas my Leica kit is very lightweight, very much like on the fly, and I like to have it stylish because I like it to match my Leica style. So here I'd probably keep my memory cards, extra batteries and stuff like that. And here, the Wotancraft vault has all these great little modular systems and compartments and pouches. I'd probably like stuff it in that and then put those in here. This is compatible with their modular system here. Let's open up the main compartment here. Oh, I've got all sorts of little things in here. I don't think these come with it, but these are nice little extras they sent me. Forgot if I asked for these. I don't think these come with it, but this is a nice little passport holder with a really strong, cool... Oh, I did ask for this. I think I did ask for this. Anyway, really cool little accessories inside. These are sold separately. I'm going to put those off to the side. So you've got the main pocket here, which kind of like opens up like accordion style, which I dig, first impressions. I like that because it kind of expands open. When you open it, expand. It's got their nice little inserts here. I like their insert system. Foldable, collapsible. You can take them out, keep them in. So I would say in here, I'm not gonna go through the specs exactly. I'll go into that in more detail later, and I don't think I can put a link to this yet because it's not out there yet, the exact specs. But just on the looks of it, I could stack a couple Leica lenses in here, or I could fit 2 Leica M bodies. That's what I use, 2 M bodies, and configure it so I can have a couple extra lenses in there as well. It's quite deep, you know. You can see because you can also hold the laptop, which is the back compartment here for the laptop. Oh, it all connects. So it's all connecting in one. But it's kind of cool. So you can access this, all connects inside this pocket here, but you could just access the back and have your laptop sort of separate, or you can open it up and have everything all in one. So camera stuff up front, laptop up back, inserts in there, padded protection for your laptop. I imagine it can fit my 13-inch laptop, which I don't have handy, but it will. And it can also fit my iPad as well. I've been trying to travel a little bit more with my iPad and less with my MacBook Pro. But very much within the style of Wotancraft, and that's a good thing. I love the World War II style, that vintage style, all the little accents. Love the materials, love the way it opens. Like this little new feature here, the collapsible pocket here. I would use this as a camera bag, but also probably as an everyday bag, as a nice little laptop bag. Just on its own as a laptop bag, kind of cool. I like that. I would fit that in there and then just put some extra stuff in there when I go, like headphones and stuff like that. Matches my motorcycle, which is really cool. I like the green olive. It's like an olive-ish color here. Dig it. Yeah, really, really cool bag, first impressions. Nice little leather accents, nice little padding on the bottom. Very lightweight for like having these cool materials, having that leather buckle there and the metal part of it there. So yeah, it's like, I don't know, cool. I love their bags, are so stylish. I really, really dig them. So first impressions, I'll get it out in the field. I do love, stuff that sticks out to me right away is just this sort of new pocket system here, that this opens up like deep all the way around like that, because I like that you can get in there. I like that. I hate when it's just limited to here and you've got to like, I want to dive in. I can dive in here and then get out. So everything's padded, everything's adjustable, everything's compartmentalized. It also is compatible with their modular system, so if you want to put on some of those little pouches in there and like Velcro them on here, it can work there as well. So dig it. I could see myself using this as, I will use this as probably my go-to Leica bag or my travel bag where I want to have my Leica kit and my laptop in one bag, or just an everyday bag as well with my laptop, or just like my carry-on bag. Dig it, I'm out of here. I'm gonna go take off. I'm gonna go use this in a real world experience. This is the Wotancraft Scout bag. This is just first impressions. I will have full details later on. That's coming soon, but for now, there she is, and there I go.